next fourth question in this integer chapter. Find the sum of the given integers. So first one, minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So how to find sum? Sum means addition, isn't it? So now how to find the sum of given integers? So the first integer is negative integer and another integer is also negative and last one integer is positive integer. So now how to add this? Minus 50 plus y plus sum, because find the sum of the integer. So you must write plus. So minus 50 plus minus 200. So if you get negative integer, that you must write in the bracket. Clear? So minus 200 and means you have to add one more integer. So plus 300. Clear? Plus 300. Okay? So minus 50 plus sum means plus. So next integer is minus 200. So that you must write in the bracket. Okay? So add one more integer, that is 300. So now how to add these three integers? You know, minus 50 write as it is. First you have to remove the bracket. Okay? So how to remove this bracket? Just multiply the sum. Clear? So plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Plus into minus. Minus 200. Minus 200 plus 300 plus 300. Clear? So the next step, minus 50 minus 200. Minus 50 minus 200. In this, the sign is negative. Here the sign is minus. Here also the sign is minus. Both also negative integers. The sign is same, minus minus. If sign is same, then you have to add the integers. Here, same sign, addition, different sign, subtraction. Here, so here the sign is same, so you have to add. So 50 plus 200, that is 250. Here, 50 plus 200, 250. Which is the greater number? 200 is greater. That sign is minus. Here, minus 250 plus 300. Minus 250 plus 300. So now see the sign, minus 250 plus 300. The sign is different. Is it the sign is same? No, the sign is different. So what we have to do? Different sign means subtraction. So if you subtract 300 minus 250, you will get 50. So now you have to write the sign which is a greater number. Which is greater number in this? 300 or 250? 300 is greater. That sign is plus. Clear? So plus 50 is the answer. Clear? Understood? First one, see the question. Find the sum of minus 50, minus 200 and plus 300. So now we have to write in order. Minus 50 plus minus 200, that you must write in the bracket. So we cannot write like this. See, if you don't put the bracket, what happens? Minus 50 plus minus 200. So then you have to do, you have to write in the bracket. Clear? So we cannot write plus minus 200. So if you get any negative integer, you can write in the bracket. Clear? Understood now? So if it is positive, no need of writing inside the bracket. Directly you can write 200. Okay? So here the integer is negative, so better to write in a bracket. So minus 200 plus 300 plus 300. Next, minus 50. So how to remove this bracket? Just you have to multiply the sign. Here, plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus 200 plus 300. So next, 50 and 200. See the sign. First you have to see the sign. If sign is same, then you have to add the integer. Clear? So 50 plus 200, 250. Clear? 50 plus 200, 250 plus 300 and minus 250 plus 300. The answer is plus 50. Okay? Plus 50. Now we'll solve next question. Fifth question. See. This also finding sum of the integer. Find the sum. The first question is minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Clear? So now here one integer is given inside the bracket. bracket. So it may be given this also in the bracket. See, first integer is the negative integer, so write the minus 7 as it is. The next integer is given inside the bracket. So how to remove this bracket? Just multiply the sign. Clear? So how to multiply this sign? Plus into minus. You know the rule. Plus into minus. Bracket means multiplication. So multiply the sign. Plus into minus. Minus. So minus 9. The next integer is a plus 4. And next one is a plus 16. Clear? So write as it is. The next integer, see in the next step, see the integer minus 7 and minus 9. So same sign, minus minus, you know same sign means addition, right? So what is 7 plus 9? What is 7 plus 9? That is 16. Is it correct? 7 plus 9 is 16. Then we want to see the greater number sign. Which is a greater number here? 9 and 7, which is a greater number? 9 is greater, that sign is a minus. Clear? So next up, you write the sign, greater number sign. So greater number is 9, that sign is minus. Clear? We solve these two integers. Next integer is a plus 4 and plus 16. You can solve these two. Clear? Or else you can write next integer down, that is a plus 4. Clear? Plus 4 and 16 you can solve. You get one answer, then you can consider next integer. Okay na? Or else you can solve these two. Okay? And then also say first you can write the integers, next two integer. And again consider the first two integers. Consider first two integers. Okay? We solved minus 7 and minus 7. Minus 7 and minus 9 we got minus 16. The remaining integer plus 4 and plus 16. Plus 4 and plus 16. So that if you solve, you can write as it is. In the next step you can solve, or else you can solve these two. Clear? So okay, we'll solve this method. We'll do this method. Minus 16 plus 4. Minus 16 plus 4 in this. Different sign, here minus, here plus. So you know different sign means subtraction. So subtract 16 minus 4. What is 16 minus 4? That is 12. Clear? 16 minus 4 is 12. So which is greater? 16 or 4? Which is greater? 16 is greater. What is the sign? Minus. Understood? 16 and 4. In this greater number is 16. That sign is minus. So minus 12, the next remaining integer, that is 16 plus 16. Okay? Minus 12 plus 16. Minus 12 plus 16. So see the sign, here minus, here plus. So sign is a different sign, subtraction. So if you subtract 16 minus 12, the answer is 4. Clear? 16 minus 12 is 4. And which is a greater number? Greater number is 16. That sign is a plus. So we will get answer plus 4. Understood now? So see the integers in the question. Minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Clear? So first you have to consider the given first two integer. You can solve this. First remove the bracket, plus into minus minus. Minus 7, minus 9 and plus 4 plus 16. So next solve minus 7 and minus 9. That answer will get 16. Minus 16. Same sign addition, greater number sign minus 16. Next integer write as it is plus 4 and plus 16. Again consider first two integer and solve. We will get one answer minus 12. Again consider remaining integer, that is plus 16. Clear? So if you solve these two integer, we get plus 4. Okay? The answer is plus 4. Okay, now we solve second question. That is 37 plus minus 2 plus into minus 65 plus into minus 8. Clear? So how to solve this? See, the first integer is positive integer plus 37 and next integer is a plus into minus. Plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Minus. Bit number 2. Minus 2. Clear? The next, see, plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Minus 65. Minus 65. Again, plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Minus 8. See the question? Plus 37 minus 2 minus 65 minus 8. So how to solve this? Same method. You can solve first two integer and next two integer, or else solve first two will get answer. Consider next integer. Clear? Understood? So we will solve plus 37 and minus 2. Plus 37 minus 2. So here the sign is not given, but the sign is plus. Okay? Plus minus minus 37 minus 2. Subtract 37 minus 2 is a 35. Is it correct? 37 minus 2 is a 35. And next you have to see the greater number sign. Which is a greater number? 37 is greater. That sign is a plus. So write plus 37. If you want, you can solve next to two integer. You can write the answer. And here we solve this method also. You can do it here. So here we will do another method. If I consider next to two integer, minus 65 minus 8. In integer chapter, sign is very important. So if you don't write sign, you get 0 1. Sign is very important. See? Understood? So minus 65 minus 8. So what is the answer? You can solve these two. So here we got answer, and you can consider the next integer. What is that? 65 minus 8. Because it is, and solve these two. What is the next? This one. Plus 35 and minus 65. You can solve these two also. Okay. So we will solve now. Minus 65 and plus 35. In this sign is different. Plus minus. So you have to subtract. What is the plus minus? Minus 65 minus 35. 5 minus 5 0. 6 minus 3, that is 3. Is it correct? Yes. So the greater number is 65. That sign is a minus. Clear? So greater number 65. That sign is minus. So minus 30. The remaining integer go right in the next step. What is that? Minus 8. Okay. So now minus 30. Minus 30 minus 8. See the sign? Minus or minus. Same sign. Same sign. Addition. So 30 plus 8, 38. So which is a greater number? Which is greater number in this? 30 is greater. That sign is minus. So the answer is minus 38. Clear? So minus 38 is answer. So if you want another method, that is answer no. These two. First two integer. So what is the first two integer answer? 37 minus 2 will get plus 35. Clear? Next two integer. Consider these two integer. Minus 65 minus 8. 65 minus 8. That is 73. Is it correct? Minus 73. So if you see there is a greater number sign is plus. So what is the sign now? Minus 65 minus 8 will get minus 73. Okay. Now if you subtract plus 35 minus 73. So 13 minus 7. Understood now? So 73 minus 35. That is minus 73 plus 35. So if you subtract 73, 13 minus 5 is 8. Is it correct? So what is remaining here? 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So greater number is 73. That sign is minus. Understood? So the answer is minus 38. You can do any method. You can consider the first two integer. You can solve and remaining next two integer. Then finally the answers you can simplify. See plus 35 and minus 73. If you simplify get minus 38. The method is different but answer will get same. Okay? In integer. You can solve integer in any order. For writing integer, you should write the sign also. Clear? Sign is very important in this. Understood now how to add the sum. Okay, next question. See here, exercise number 6.3 in that. First First question, 35 minus plus 20. 35 minus plus 20. So how to solve this? See the integer plus 35 and minus, and inside the bracket it is given plus 20. What is the sign here? The sign is plus. It is not mentioned, but you must consider there is a sign. It is a plus. Okay. So now how to solve this? How to remove the bracket? First you have to remove the bracket. So how to remove this bracket? Just multiply the sign. Here. So the minus into plus. What is minus into plus? That is minus. So minus 20. Okay. Plus 35 minus 20. What is the answer? See the sign. What is the sign of 35? There is no sign, but you know, if there is no sign, the sign is a plus. Clear? If sign is not written, then you will consider there is a sign, that is a plus. Plus 35 minus 20. Plus 35 minus 20. The sign is different. Plus minus. Different sign. Isn't it? So now different sign means subtraction. You know, different sign means subtraction. So if you subtract 35 minus 20. So what is 35 minus 20? See, 5 minus 0, 5. Correct? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 15. Understood? So which is a greater number? 35 is greater. 35 is greater. That sign is plus. So the answer is plus 15. Plus 15. We'll solve now second question. Same type, same procedure. See the integer. The integer is here plus 72 minus into plus 90. Plus 90. How to solve this? Plus 72 and plus, and here the sign is plus, here the sign is minus. But inside the bracket there is a sign, that is a plus. So plus into minus, you know, plus into minus, that is minus. Plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. The integer 90. Clear? So next plus 72 minus 90. The sign of 72 is a plus. Here there is no sign, but what is the sign of 72? That is a plus. You must consider there is a sign plus. So plus 72 minus 90. For understanding purpose, if you want, you can write the sign here. No problem. Clear? If you don't write the sign, that means is plus. Okay? Plus 72 minus 90. So what is 90 minus 72? So if you want, you can write like this, greater than the first term. Then you can write the smaller number. Like that you can subtract. Subtraction means that is depends on the sign. Here, so sign is here minus, here plus. So the sign is different. Different sign means subtraction. So if you subtract, we get so borrow 1, we get 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Is it correct? 10 minus 2 is 8. So what is remaining here? So 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Next, you have to do greater number sign. Which is a greater number? 90 is greater. 90 is greater than 72. So the greater number sign is a minus. Understood? Minus 18 is the answer. So what is the answer? Minus 18. Understood? No? So minus plus minus, answer minus 18. So we'll solve our third question. See the third question. Minus 15 minus into minus 18. Clear? Minus 15 in minus into minus 18. How to solve this? First you have to remove the bracket. Clear? So the sign minus 15 write as it is. First integer write as it is. And next, see, the minus 18 is inside the bracket. Minus 18 is inside the bracket. How to remove this bracket? Just multiply the sum. Okay? If you multiply minus into minus, what is minus into minus? Minus into minus plus, and the number is 18. So next, again you have to simplify these integers. How to simplify? Minus 15 plus 18. Minus 15 plus 18. See the sign? Sign is here minus, here it is plus. Different sign, subtraction. So 18 minus 15. What is 18 minus 15? That is 3. 18 minus 15 is 3. And which is a greater number? 18 is greater. 18 is greater than 15. That sign is a plus. Greater number sign is plus. So the answer is plus 3. Understood? Understood now? First what you have to do? Remove the bracket. First you have to remove the bracket. Then simplification. Here, how to remove this bracket? Multiplication. Multiply the number. Sometimes you get question like this: minus 2 and minus 3. Both the integers are inside the bracket, isn't it? So then what you have to do? First you have to multiply the sign. Then you have to multiply the integer. Clear? So that means minus into minus. The sign is minus. Here also minus. So multiply the sign. Minus into minus. That is a plus. Okay. Next multiply the number. Very simple. 2 3s are 6. The answer is plus 6. If both the integers are given inside the bracket, if there is no sign in between these two integers, here no sign, isn't it? If there is a sign, then we have to multiply these two signs. Clear? So we cannot multiply these two. But in this case, see, both the integers are inside the bracket. In between, there is no sign. In between these two integers, there is no sign, isn't it? In that case, you have to multiply the sign. Next, you have to multiply the number. Clear? Understood now? See, in the given question, here is sign minus, and inside the bracket here also minus. So how to remove bracket? Multiplication. Just multiply the sign. Minus into minus, plus. Understood? First you have to learn the rule. Rule is very important in integer. So now the answer we got plus 3. We will solve now fourth question, that is minus 20 minus into plus 13. So we say we are writing these questions inside the bracket, but in the textbook it is given like this, so we cannot change the question, isn't it? So always the positive integer will not write inside the bracket. Okay? But in the question it is given like this, so we will simplify now. So minus 20, right? Minus 20 write as it is. Because in front of this integer, is there any sign or integer number? No. So this integer write as it is. Understood now? So here in between, in front of this number, in front of this integer, is there any sign or number? No. There is no sign or a number. So then this integer write as it is. Minus 20 write as it is. And the next integer is plus 13 inside the bracket. Plus 13 is there inside the bracket, and you have to remove this bracket. What you have to do? Multiply. So minus into plus. Minus into plus minus. Understood now? If it is not given sign, must consider the sign is a plus. Okay? Minus into plus minus. Sign and number write as it is. Minus 13. Understood? So minus 20 minus 13. Minus 20 minus 13. See the sign? Minus. Here also sign is minus. That means same sign. Same sign means addition, isn't it? Same sign addition. So 20 plus 13. What is 20 plus 13? That is 33, isn't it? So you can write 0 plus 3, 3 and 2 plus 1. That is 3. So the sign is very important. Write minus, so minus 13. Greater number is 20. That sign is minus. Understood? So the answer is minus 33. Clear? Understood? So minus 20 minus 13. The answer is minus 33. Clear? How to solve integer. Okay? See that find in that question sixth one. Okay? We'll see now 23 minus of minus 12. 23 minus of minus 12. So same procedure. First integer write as it is. That is plus 23. Clear? The sign is not given, but the sign is here plus 23. And how to remove this bracket? Multiplication. Minus plus 12. Clear? So the sign is here plus. Here also sign is plus. Same sign addition. So how to add 23 plus 12? Same sign. So 3 plus 2 we get 5. Is it correct? 3 plus 2. Last year we did 2 and here 3. If you want you can write like this also. Vertically you can write and add. Okay? So we'll get the answer. So 23 plus 12. So what is 23 plus 12? 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay? The answer is 35. So plus 35. Why plus 35? Because the greater number is here 23. So what is the sign? 23 sign? Plus. So plus 35 is the answer. Understood? So now the last question. Last question is F questions here. Minus 32 and minus of minus 40. How to read? Minus 32 minus of minus 30. Of means multiplication. Into. Okay? Minus 32 minus of minus 40. Minus of minus 40. Clear? So now first integer minus 32 write as it is. Minus 32. And now minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Minus into minus. That is plus. So minus into minus plus. And the integer plus 40. Clear? So plus 40 minus 32 plus 40 minus 32. So now if you subtract, subtraction isn't it? Because the sign is different. Different sign, subtraction. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. What you have to do? Borrow 1, you will get 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. So what is remaining? 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 8. Understood? 40 minus 32, 8. And next you have to see the greater number. Greater number is 40. That sign is plus. The answer is plus 8. Understood?